Hey guys, today is the September 9th, 2018. Finally we see the Yonkers Police Department boat in the water where they're supposed to be, when it's supposed to be. Also a jet ski, YPD jet ski. This is it. I guess we spoke and they listened. Again, today is September 3rd and YPD boat is in the water. I also heard that the scooters that have been parked on the floor behind me, orders that those scooters need to come out. The people need to see them moving around, and they're going to move those scooters once a week. They're going to bring them around. They're going to bring them around so we can see them on the streets of Yonkers or whatever. So where is YPD boat? There it is, guys, in the water, where it's supposed to be.